Recording.
Hey, good morning. It's a Sunday morning, July 20th, I believe. Let's see how far I can get this video till we run into a wall of fog. It looks pretty clear this morning, so maybe we get lucky. I'm on the VFR Deluxe today. Fingers crossed that we have a good time. I'm hoping to get home before it hits 90 degrees. So if I get home before noon, it'll be a good day. It's currently 72 degrees, and if you follow any of my other videos, it's typically 62 degrees when I get on the motorcycle at 6:30 in the morning. This morning it's 72, and breathing the air is like breathing water. The air is just so thick with humidity. But to say it's not going to rain, so this is my typical Sunday ride. If you follow me, most of my Sunday rides are kind of the same thing. Old 64, 28, US 129. There's a group of guys in Franklin that I go sit and chat with. You can always learn from your elders. One of the guys, I've known him for 2025. I've known him for almost 30 years. He was a first responder back in 1997 when my buddy Glenn got in a crash. And he was the first paramedic on site. He turned 68 last week. Phil, super nice guy. I hope you all never have to meet a guy like Phil while riding a motorcycle. I hope if you do meet Phil, it's at the corn dog store north of Franklin. There's a BP market that is right across the street from a ginormous Baptist church. And you can find Phil sitting in a rocking chair in the morning. He's one of the nicest guys you'll ever get a chance to talk to. So we're on Old 64 right now, and typically around this turn is where I see fog almost every morning. And I see sunlight this morning, so that weather report was a little bit wrong, because it said mostly cloudy, and yeah, there's like low clouds, like fog clouds, but it's so warm this morning that it's kept the fog kind of off the deck. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that turtle. Look at the size of that turtle. Holy crap. You guys got to see that. You don't see that every day. That stuff is like prehistoric crap right there. Look at that joker. We is mad. You better get across that road. That is really cool. Let me turn the four-ways on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Go that way. Come on. All right, that was pretty cool. I'm betting that turtle's probably 50 years old or older. It would suck to make it that far in your life, as slow as you are, and get run over by one of these redneck inbred yahoos in Warren, North Carolina. You notice I didn't bend down and pick him up. I guarantee that old snapping turtle's neck can reach all the way around the back of his shell and take a bite out of my riding glove. If you're going to be helping turtles across the road, you better know what kind of turtle you're helping. If they look like they just came out of the Super Mario game, you might not want to pick that turtle up. But if you like seeing turtles in a video, hit that thumbs up button.